worried since we are entering the third week of writing of exams. Luckily for now, this is the primary school that has been, the roof of the admin block has been blown off by the storm. We are still taking stock of what has transpired throughout the province through calling district directors, and then we will then be able to plan ahead. Otherwise, we have COGTA assisting us, we have SABC assisting us, we have National Defence Force assisting us in case of an eventuality where we have to activate their assistance. They are on standby.